Hi, I'm Subi Babu. I lead the engineering team for the marketing org at MongoDB. So the challenge that we faced at MongoDB was that we had a couple of different CMSs, all in-house built, and the team was spending a ton of time maintaining and creating features for the CMS. So that was taking away time from the real innovation and from creating digital experiences for our customers. There were several things that we wanted to go after, like tagging, taxonomy, translation, personalization, all of that. But with us spending a ton of time on maintaining the CMS, none of that was possible. So in our evaluation, we picked all the top players from the Gartner research, from the top quadrant, and that's how we heard about Contentstack, and Contentstack came out as a winner in our evaluation. So now we not only have an enterprise CMS with all the amazing content management features, but we feel that we are well set up with a great foundation for all the future innovation with AI. We've started to leverage the personalized product with all the great power of data with the Lytics integration. We were able to translate into 8+ different languages. We are well set up to have tagging and taxonomy. For the last year or so, we've specifically started using the AI and automate capabilities. And since then, we've seen around 400% increase in our migration velocity. So it's been amazing. Since we launched on the Contentstack, it's our redesigned homepage. We've been able to redesign the homepage and switching out our components based on different needs, whether we are coming out with a new product or whatever. And it also has allowed us the ability to experiment with different components. If you're considering purchasing Contentstack, my feedback would be we love Contentstack, both the product and the people. One thing I would say is to bring in the Contentstack experts as early as possible. So I want to comment on the technical support as well as the AI Accelerator program. With the Contentstack experts, it has drastically cut down our learning curve, and that has led to getting to market much more faster.